how can storytelling help us with our cue card section?
Okay, a cue card is basically based on storytelling. Without storytelling, you cannot express your emotion, express your talking you want to say properly.
Okay.
So if you follow the path of storytelling, you can convey your expression to the examiner properly, and it will be very easy for.
Welcome to our new series of Casual Talk, where we talk casually about our feelings, classroom experiences, and where we discuss and portray our ideas in front. So this is a new series that we're going to start, and for that we have our first guest and our first student in the video, Tonaya. Tonaya, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I'm very glad to be here, a part of this section, and I'm a student of Talent Heart.
And what are you doing here?
So I'm here just because of learning English, because I have a plan. I will attend my IELTS exam within a few months. That's why I am here for proper guidelines.
Okay. So in the classroom, we discuss about a lot of things. From that, we want to bring up one thing.
Yeah.
For our cue card section, speaking part 2, we discussed about storytelling.
Yes, yeah, I remembered.
Okay, so can you tell me that what is actually storytelling and how this skill can be developed?
Okay, so storytelling means to engage someone by your talking, by your thoughts, like you are talking something and someone to make interest people in your topic.
Okay. Storytelling is a way of telling your thoughts to someone,
Yeah.
so that they can engage with you.
If someone not engage with you, then it cannot be a proper storytelling.
Right. So if I don't feel you, I don't feel about your stories,
Yeah.
I cannot connect you with your stories, then
You
it
should have connect my talking, you should have connect my thoughts, you should have connect my topic.
yeah, I should connect with your emotion
Yeah,
as well.
also emotion as well as
Okay.
emotion also.
Okay, so how can storytelling help us with our cue card section?
Okay, a cue card is basically based on storytelling. Without storytelling, you cannot express your emotion, express your talking you want to say properly.
Okay.
So if you follow the path of storytelling, you can convey your expression to the examiner properly, and it will be very easy for you.
Okay. And it will help you to speak for a long time.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Where cue card, you have to speak for at least 1 to 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And storytelling helps you to achieve that time goal of yours.
Storytelling makes story. It helps to increase your thoughts.
Yes. So, do you want to share anything else with us about storytelling?
In my opinion, I think that cue card section must be based on your true story, because when you are telling about your true story, you can convey your real expression, you can convey your real emotions. Otherwise, it will be more technical.
Yes. So that is the mistake you made in the class today. Do you want to share that as well?
Yeah, okay. If you follow the path of something technical, you cannot make your sentences more longer. You cannot talk for much time. You cannot show your expression to the examiner. When you say something like technical, the examiner will seems you are like a robot. So storytelling and cue cards demand you should be show your emotion. You should be realistic. You should be honest about your opinion, and you should be honest about your conversation.
Okay, so the mistake that Tona made today, she talked about earbuds, although she wanted to have a scooter, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you talk about something false, you tend to express false feelings.
Yeah.
And false feelings is something that people can notice. Okay, like a fake smile. A fake smile can be also noticeable.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our first ever episode of Casual Talk. Although we talked about cue card, which is a part of our IELTS speaking test too, but from the next videos we will talk about a lot more about our feelings and thoughts about different things, different manners. So
For sure.
yeah, for sure. And I hope that we will see Tonoya a few more times in our series. And till then, stay with us. Wait for the next video.
Thank you all.
Thank you.